Hey, good evening. I've got something to show you. As some of you might know, I am in the process of developing an off-grid homestead. Well, as luck would have it right now, I am dwelling in a motel in Fort Madison, Iowa. And they've got this amazing device just down the hall. And after I'd had my dinner, I came back to my room to find out that it wasn't being used by anybody. Here, look at this. That's my clothes. They're actually being washed in this machine. Of course, I had to put some money in it and the clothes and, well, $2 and laundry, detergent, you know. I'm living large. At least I'm not doing it by hand. Not this time. So anyway, I thought you might enjoy seeing a machine that does your laundry for you. It's just crazy. What will they think of next?